Today, you and I are going to learn the letter A. This is the letter A. A sounds A. Will you say A with me? A. A. Good job. A is for apple. A is for airplane. A is for ambulance. A is for alligator. A is for ant. Good job. You get a thumbs up. Now let's play a game.
Wow.
I will show you some letters and you will choose which one is the letter A. Is this the letter A? No. Is this the letter A? No. Is this the letter A? Yes, good job. You get a thumbs up. Is this the letter A? No. Is this the letter A? No. Is this the letter A? Yes, good job. You got a thumbs up. You did great today, guys. In my next video, I'm going to talk about the letter B.
Wow.
So please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Don't forget to share. And if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name, Charles the Kid's Friend. CHARLES, 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 CHARLES.